OPN. Bitch, you want BBM.
Hey guys, Davi here, back with another video. And I am home chilling in my footsies, and I thought, what would be a great tutorial? And I came up with the idea of some great Christmas PJs, or just PJs in general. But I'm going to show you how I use things around the house to make this set for myself, my daughter, and my husband. So here's an early Christmas present, kinda. And I can't wait to see what you guys make with this tutorial as well. So I have some items laying around the house, cute little top, and these shorts. So I'm using these as a base for my pattern. So find some shorts and a top that fits you pretty well. So the fabric that I had laying around is polka dot. I know it's not Christmassy, but this tutorial can be used for pajamas in general. I'm folding out my fabric. There is a fold right here. It's on a fold on this side. Over here it's open. So I'm just eyeballing how much space I need for these shorts. Go ahead and flip them inside out. Grab the seams. Flip it inside out, because you want to get an idea of the pattern. On your fabric, you want to see which way it stretches. So it stretches this way. This is the way I want it to go across my body. This is the stretchy way. Line this all up. And then I'm going to bring it over this way. That way the stretch remains horizontal in my pattern. And now I'm just going to shift it. Alright, so there's a fold here. It's open here, and the stretch is this way. So now I'm taking my pants, lining them up with the fold. The waistband I'm going to include only because I want to make my shorts high-waisted. So these shorts on me didn't fit high-waisted. They fit like right under my belly button. So the pajamas I'm making, I want high-waisted. So sit this on the fabric. Line it up fold with fold, and we're going to cut around with a 1-inch seam allowance. Alright, now I would like a waistband. My elastic that I'm using is only about 1 inch wide, so when I fold this over, it's about 3 inches. Alright, so how do I sew my shorts? You want to lift it up and put the matching sides together. So, polka dots are on the inside. And you're going to want to sew along here. Alright guys, so I've gone ahead and sewn this on a zigzag stitch. I've also gone ahead and hemmed the bottom of my pants, shorts. If these are just for you, you can just roll hem at one time. But if you're making it for someone, I would suggest folding it over again and stitching. But I ain't doing all that. So once you have this sewn together, you're going to want to grab one side of the shorts and one hand the other, and rotate the piece you just sewn to the center and line it up down here as well. Once you have this lined up, you want to stitch this small little V. Alright guys, so you have now gone ahead and stitched the inseam, very small inseam of the shorts, aka V. You have also gone ahead and sewn the center of the pants, and you may have gone ahead and hemmed your shorts. So now we can go ahead and flip these babies inside out. And you have something that looks like a pair of shorts. So now you're going to take your waistband fabric from earlier, flip it. So I've gone ahead and go ahead and pin the waistband in place. A few pins just to keep it lined up. And now I'm going to take my shorts. I like to start at one of the center seams, preferably what I want to be the back. And I'm going to now pin it to the shorts. Elastic, and I'm going to take it and wrap it around my body, stretching it a little bit and matching the ends. Now the key to this is you want it to fit tight but not uncomfortable, because keep in mind what you feel is what you're going to be dealing with. So if you can't breathe, why did you do that? So I can't breathe. I can live with this, and I go ahead and cut it, but don't cut it exactly where your fingers are. Give yourself about ½ an inch. Waistband. You sew your waistband on. Where the ends meet in the back, there should be an opening. You want to take your elastic and a safety pin and puncture. Close. And you gotta feed it in. Okay. So now you're going to take these two ends and you're going to sew. You want to just straighten it out and then overlap, and you want to stitch this. All right, so now you have a finished pair of shorts. I'm going to fold in half and then line it up on the fold. Now we need some straps. So going back into the fabric. Oh, right. So you're gonna want to sew the sides, and then you're gonna want to hem the bottom after, and hem 1, 2, 3, 4 of the arm sides. So you want to just hem these, but you're going to sew right here, and then we'll be back. All right, so go ahead and sew in here, hem the bottom, hem the sides where the arm is, and I've hemmed the neckline. So now flip that baby inside out. This is what you have. So now we need some straps. I'm going to take this long piece and I'm going to go ahead and make it a casing in my sewing machine. And I'm going to go ahead and sew that, and I'm going to cut it 4 times so I can have strap, 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 strap. Alright, so I have sewn a casing.
Alright, so now we're on the color the right side. So my look requires 4 steps. So I'm going to cut this into 4 equal pieces.
Alright, so here's my top. This is the neckline pieces, and these are the 2 armholes. And I'm just taking the straps that I made and I'm pinning them right at the very edge. And then you're going to go ahead and sew. Alright, so if you would like to connect with me on my Instagram, go ahead and follow me at greenwear_designs. Again, it's at greenwear_designs. I would love for you to follow me, and I'll follow back, and we can connect there as well. Again, thank you for watching, and bye.